Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use BODMAS rule when we solve some mathematical equations. Let's see an example of mathematical equation that we can solve using the BODMAS rule, like 6 divided into 2 times 1 plus 2. So what is the solution of this mathematical equation is using the BODMAS rule? Can you try? What is the solution of these mathematical equations using the BODMAS rule? Can you solve? Let me give you time to solve these equations for one minute. Okay, do you solve? Okay, let's see together. Step by step answer using a BODMAS rule. BODMAS stands for B bracket first, or orders like powers, roots, and etc. B stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So if there is a mathematical equations, we first do bracket first, then order, then division, next multiplication, then addition, and last we do subtraction. From the above equation, we have in bracket 1 plus 2. Since the first rule is bracket in the BODMAS rule. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Since 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, the equation becomes like 6 divided into 2 times 3. According to the BODMAS rule, we have 6 divided into 2 times 3. We have addition and we have multiplication operation here. So according to the BODMAS rule, we perform the division and the multiplication already from left to right. So when we go from left to right, that's 6 divided into 2, it becomes 3. 6 divided into is equal to 3. Now 6 times 6 is equal to 9. Will be the final solution set of this mathematical equation using a BODMAS rule. So finally, we can solve such types of mathematical equations using the BODMAS rule. Whereas BODMAS means that B stands for bracket and or orders like powers, roots, and D is the division, M is the multiplication, and A addition, and we last do subtraction. So by using this BODMAS rule, we can solve such kinds of mathematical equation. If this video is helping for you, don't forget like and subscribe and put a comment in the comment section. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow.